Hi baby, this is Daisy. Today I will introduce one special light box to you. If you are running stores or looking for signs that can create a memory point, don't miss it. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. This is a light box with gradient color outside the letters. Looks so special and cute, right? And the surrounding is made of transparent acrylic. A color mutation film is attached, lining from both front and back. The interior is equipped with magic S-shaped light strips. And support customization, you can choose any size and color what you want. We specialize in the production of light box and LED sign and a new sign, shipping to most countries with no MOQ. We also have a professional team responsible for the work of each section. Not every sign factory will have such a complete chain. That is why 85% of customers will purchase our product again after using once. No matter what your business is, LCSIGN can help you grow. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us just right now. Hit that like button and comment below. So guys, see you next time.